What's up guys? Thought it'd be a bit rude of me to not show you how to actually put the new wheel in. Went to my local shop and got it today. I think it was about $15, which is pretty standard for a tube cutter. It is a rigid E3469 is the wheel. There's our little pin that we left there yesterday, day before, 2 days ago now. Just pop the circlip back off like it was. Alright. What we're going to do is line everything back up again and put it in. Stick your wheel in the centre. Just trying to make sure I'm actually getting it on camera as I do it. There we go. Wheels in the centre. Might have to rotate it around a little bit to have it sitting in a better position. You can rotate it one way, it'll click. So you can rotate it anti-clockwise. It'll kind of ratchet. It seems like you're being harsh, but it's the same as what it does. There we go. So pin through, pop it out the other side, just locate that, the outer shell. I reckon we need to go the other way, and the pin's on the wrong side. Should have consulted my video from pulling it apart yesterday. But anyhow, pin through one side, flip it over with your finger on the pin and it'll stay there. There we go, pin through two sides. Put the circlip down in there. Like so. Like that. Now I'm just going to use a screwdriver, try and slide the circlip into its resting position. C-clip, circlip. Looks as though it can go a bit further. Like that. Heard it click. Beautiful. Alright. Give the inside a hit with some WD-40 or whatever your favourite is. Your favourite brew, if you will. Just to keep everything lubed and moving in there. It does rotate. It does get dust and dirt and stuff in it. So when you pull the trigger with the paddle on this side, that's the way it's ratcheting to unlock it. Then take a piece of, this is 1/2 inch diameter copper tube. You slip it between the jaws like that. Get a beautiful clean cut. Just like that. Click it back into reverse mode. back it off, locks it ready for its next cut. Don't have any other tube in here. Bus, I dumped it all at work the other week. Only thing I got's a new bit of 20mm stuff, so we're not going to use that. Reasonably hard on the little batteries. You would still get heaps of cuts out of them. Great for when you're in walls or just want to carry it because it does weigh a little bit. But you'll still get many cuts in smaller sizes, and that it's really helpful when you're doing things like fire services in 25mm here in Australia. Inch copper, it's really good for that. I rate it really highly. That's how you put your cut-off wheel back in it. It's a rigid E3469 cut-off wheel. So quite easy to get hold of. I got it at my local Nubco. Reese Plumbing can get them in. I bought this one from Reese Plumbing. Quite a good thing. So it's C12PC. They may be called an m12PC now, but this was an early one. I don't think the design's changed. I think the name may have just changed because I went to the M12 platform. Right, there's some subscribe buttons over here. This one down here is the automotive channel. If you're keen, jump on there, have a look. We play with all the automotive stuff. We play with most of the electrical stuff on this channel up here. Thanks heaps for watching. More videos over here. Catch you on the next one. Hope you like the new microphone. Cheers guys.